y'all, it's Kylie, and I'm back with another freaking video for you. So in today's video we will be doing, I got a wig from Amazon, and I'm gonna be reviewing that wig I got from Amazon. Also, on top of that, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me because I have to go to work at 3. It's currently 11:43 now, but I'll be taking a long time to get ready sometimes. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. And yeah, most of this video I probably won't be talking. I'll probably be showing y'all the videos and stuff like that. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you have any other video ideas, go ahead and drop that in the description below. I mean, not in the description. Drop that in the comments below. And yeah, I love you guys. So we're about to get into this video. Okay, so the wig I got today, I'm going to put it right here. Like, I'm going to put it right here. But I'm going to tell you about this wig. Okay, so let me see what I got. So I got it from Amazon. And it says lace front human hair wig, deep wave, pre-plug, 150% density, Remy hair, deep curly. The wig lace is 13x4, lace front to wig, curl wigs. It says curly wig and baby hair lace front wigs. It keeps saying the same thing. It's a 20-inch wig. I got the 13x4 deep wave, and the price, it was only $107.99. And it came fairly fast. Like when I bought it, it came like 2 days. Yeah, it came 2 days after I ordered it. And also it came a day early than what I ordered it, because it was supposed to come the 9th and it came the 8th. So yeah, when you open the box, I had already opened the box, so don't mind like that. And it's gonna come in a bag. And they ain't got nothing else in the box. That's it. Then you're gonna open it, and I already rubbed my fingers through it. Like it already been like rubbed through, so like the curls and stuff like that are not as early as it was in the beginning. And then you take it out, and it had a hairnet on it. It had a hairnet on it, and then it had like some foam stuff in here to like keep it closed. But just look at this. Look at it. It looks nice. And this is a 20-inch. So yeah. So I'm about to show you the construction of the wig. So this is the wig look like in the inside. It has 4 combs. And like this is what the lace look like that. And then it also came with like baby hairs that you're gonna put out. I don't know if I'm gonna use them. This is actually the first wig. I mean, it's not the first wig I'm putting on. This is the first like lace front wig like this that I'm putting on. Like I made a lace front wig, but it was only like this much lace. So I never had one from like here to here before. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting this on, and I'm gonna be getting ready for me to go to work. And yeah. So right now, I'm gonna put this aside. Right now, I'm just gonna be taming the beast. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet it a little bit. I'm gonna put some shea butter pomade in it, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of Eco Styler gel because I'm gonna slick it down because I don't have no hair, so I wouldn't need the combs. And then I'm going to throw a handy dandy wig cap on that head. So yeah, now I'm gonna speed up the video because I'm gonna be listening to music and all that stuff, and I'm not trying to get copyrighted. So yeah. So my hair don't look like it wanna lay flat, so this is the best I'm gonna do. So now I'm about to take the wig cap and I'm about to put it on. And the stuff I'm gonna be using to glue down my wigs is Got To Be glue, the spray, and I got the gel. Now at my Family Dollar by my house, these were only $4 each. Now at some beauty supply stores, they be charging $8 for one for each, like each of them. Those was $8 put together. All I say is it depends on where you go. Beauty supply stores kind of overpriced things. So if you could find it at Walmart or at a Family Dollar or Dollar General, that's where I recommend. So these wig caps was 99 cents from a beauty supply store. And it came with 2 wig caps, so you get to do it all again. I'm doing all this because I plan to have this wig on for a couple of days. As long as I can keep it on for real. As long as I feel like having it on. Because it is kind of hot outside. So yeah, so I'm just gonna... I try, y'all. Them curls they don't want to go down. So, bump it. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the wig cap like this. Hold on. Boy, I got a big head. This is why I tried to lay it back so it can go back. Okay. Once you got the cap up there nice and secure, I'm gonna pull it all the way down and then I'm gonna freeze spray it so that it like sticks over here. So here I ended up putting some Got To Be glue on my edges to bring them back because for some reason they were just being stubborn. And I put the Got To Be to glue it back, and then I put the wig cap back on. And basically all I'm doing is freeze spraying it and cutting the lace. I'm taking this back here and I'm gonna put it in a little bun. That's what I'm gonna do, put it in a little bun. And only reason I'm doing that so the comb in the back has something to grip onto because I don't have no hair and bald headed. So yeah. Doing this cap thing was low-key a struggle because when I put my other wig on, I just put it on my head. But since this is a 360 lace, I wanted to do the whole wig cap and the whole shebang. So, cut it a little bit too low right here, but bump it. So now I'm going to do this to like lay these little edges that had rolled down. And yeah. I don't want to lay down, so guess what? I'm about to cut it off. needed to be cut off. Y'all be careful with these scissors because I kind of pricked myself. These are actual hair scissors, actual shears. They work really good. That's what I had used to cut my hair. Well, when I was growing it out again. And so, yeah. And now you're supposed to look like this. Bald head. Alright, so now I'm going to take some foundation and a beauty blender. And I'm about to blend this baby out. And the foundation I'm using is Dior Nature, New York. I got this from a mall when I went to Florida. It looked like this. I don't know if they have a website. But this foundation is actually really good. It don't break me out. It's made with all natural products. And some more stuff. This is mainly the foundation I use. But I mix a whole bunch of them. So don't quote me. Don't quote me. I mix a whole bunch of these things. I've been so and it's not spread. Yeah, social sites. Put some back here because this is where I like have a part back here too. You can make this wig look realistic, girl. So yeah, I'm gonna get some alcohol later and blend it out. I don't know why this right here looks so thick. Probably because of how much. I didn't remember that. So now, I think I want to measure the lace. I don't know how I want to do this. Like, I might have to look in this mirror right here. Like, okay. All right, maybe I should put this in the hair bow. I need a hair bow. Conversations. I'm gonna get a hair bow and I'll be right back. So I got it up, and I don't know if I think I low-key want to glue it before I cut it because I'm kind of scared I'm gonna mess it up. I don't want to mess it up, so I'm gonna glue it before I cut it. Yeah, but look at this. Like, look at the plug. Look at this. I know this look like realistic. It's real soft. Don't mind this. I messed that up, so I'm gonna just bring it down like that and bring this side down like that. But look, that thing look nice, don't it? Okay, so now is when it comes in the glue. So you take the Got to Bleed, and you just got to be this, and you put it on to start like the glue. So you ready for the glue, the lace to lay? And yeah, I'm doing pretty good so far, y'all. I haven't did a full lace shank like this. The most part I'm nervous about is the cutting by the ear, because I don't want to cut too much and then it just messed the whole thing up. Like, that is gonna make me so upset. Because then I feel like if I do that, then the wig will be done for. Because, like, how? No, unless I have to wear my wig down. I need a towel or something. Let me see. I want a towel, so I'm just use piece of paper. Need to wipe this glue off my forehead right here. I don't even know how that came out, man. I'm trying, y'all. This is a little harder than it looks. So yeah, then you spread this up there. And now you got to blow it out of shit. Tight. If it's deeper for my brain, like, okay, good. Pick a little body, like, stuck. So now, the scariest part, the scariest freaking part. I'm just brushing the baby hairs back and stuff, y'all. So I don't cut nothing. I ain't got no business cutting. Alright, y'all. I really gotta focus to do this one. Because I am scared. So I'm gonna cut it. Let me... I don't want to do that. I'm just gonna do that. Okay. Cut up the middle and cut on the sides. Oh, I'm just gonna glue that down. Shoot, y'all. I am scared to do this part. Like, what if I mess it up? This gotta be here. Oh, shoot. Yo, I am so scared. Like, this is looking pretty good though, this part, but at this point I'm hot. Jesus. So after I got the wig laid and my mom helped me cut the sides, I am now putting mousse up there to moisturize it. And now I'm just going to be styling it. But I'm going to give you my review on this wig while I'm styling it because I forgot to mention it at the end. So this wig, it's really soft. I love the curls and like how it rejuvenates. Though when it dries, it do get much poofier than this. And the only other thing I could say for real is that the knots are really dark, so you might have to bleach it or like add extra foundation. But other than that, it's a really nice wig. And in the back of the wig cap, they also have a band to tighten it so it could fit to your head. But yeah, it's really nice. It's really soft. And it's just pretty hair overall. Now I can say when I did unbox it, it did have a weird smell. It didn't stink. It just does have a scent to it that I'm not used to. And yeah, that's about it for this wig. And now I'm just tying it down some more to try to get it the lace to stay. And okay, so y'all, I finally got it on. It looked good, don't it? I put some mousse in it. After I sprayed it down, I just got my little part right, put a little bit of foundation up there. I had used the one I showed y'all earlier. And I had also used this one to try to darken it up because I feel like it was a little bit too bright. I used this, the True Match in color C7. So yeah, that's what I used. And basically, for me to get ready to work, all I go, because I said I was going to do a get ready with me, I'm just going to do some mascara. And that's really it because I got to wear a mask. So it's like, I can't even get cute in the face because I got to wear a mask. So yeah, just going to put this mascara on. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I will be back with another video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow me on all my other social medias. That will be in the description down below. And if you have any video ideas that you think I should do, also drop that below as well. And I will be back with another freaking video. Oh, and don't forget, love yourself, because if you don't, nobody else will. Bye, my baby.